Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another designer showcase. A couple of 6th graders sent me amazing projects, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, this first one is by 6th grader Althea. I'll paste the link in and let's watch it come to life. Alright, so this one loads super slow and it's perfect timing for spooky season. I left her a note, which I'll hide that note real quickly, but she created this one pumpkin and then you can see she duplicated again and again and again. The face on the pumpkin is wicked cool. Check out those eyelashes and eyes. Super fun. She used my Scribble Pumpkin video. I will have a link in the cards up above if you're interested in that. And she leaves us the note to look inside because Althea had fun with this. And I'm going to simply hit hide on these. Boom! She's got the cute little dude Blanky with a mustache and a sword. Once again, you can unhide and bring it right back. It is so fun, and there's nothing cooler to me than when a student takes a project, has fun, turns it into something special, and then shares with me. Friends, as you can see, this has gotten pretty complex. So friends, as you could tell, that would not finish rendering because these were all one big group of pumpkins. Whenever you create groups of complex shapes, it really slows Tinkercad down, and there was really no reason to group all of those. You can see these three grouped fine, but when you group the large one and everything else, that made it a problem. So I'm going to give you two things to remember. One, try to not have groups of groups unless you have to, and then two, when you create something amazing like this, you can go to your creations and you can create a shape from it so it'll be less complex as you use it again and again. So I'm going to call this dude Pumpkinhead. You could say pumpkin with a hat. You could add tags. I never locked the part size, and then I saved that shape. So now Althea made this sweet pumpkin, and she could use the shape again and again, which is way less complex than actually using the real shapes that were made with all the little pumpkin pieces that we put together. So just remember, saving your shapes so you can reuse them is a more efficient way to work in Tinkercad. And remember, groups of groups slows Tinkercad down. Once again, Althea, great creation, and thanks for giving me the way to share those cool tips as well. Let's go on to shout out number 2. This was also created by a 6th grader, Patrick. Let's press enter and see what Patrick built. Oh my gosh, so this is extra cool because this is not on my list. Let's do home view to zoom out. Holy mackerel, he took all the parts in Tinkercad and made his own band concert. Alright friends, so Patrick went to Fun and Games, and when he hit more and more, he could get down here to the awesome instruments, and then he started using the people, which are in the creatures. So friends, the one part you don't have here is the chair. The chair is a code blocks lesson we do in my class. Once you've completed the code blocks lesson, you'll be able to find it on your shapes. I have got my 2 tables, but I do not have the chair on this account at the moment. But that is how you can make this awesome project. Once again, Patrick, thank you so much for all the effort you put into this and taking time to share. The last project I want to share with you is created by 8th grader Jack. This is Dream and is made in the Minecraft style with the 5x5 cubes. Totally cool. Love making salutes for other YouTube channels. I think that is just totally awesome. And as usual, Jack, way to show some amazing creativity. Friends, don't forget, if you ever make something awesome, you can click up here, generate a link, copy that link, and then you can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I am HLModTech on all 3. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. You may also visit HLModTech.com. Don't forget, we've got the Tinkercad tab with all these amazing lessons. Friends, don't forget, down at the bottom there is also a messaging app. You can fill that out and reach out to me almost instantly. And of course, lastly, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.